Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. The surprising effects of coffee on health. Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of coffee. Today we're unraveling the complex relationship between this beloved beverage and our health. You might think of coffee as a morning pick-me-up, but its effects go far beyond that. This video will explore coffee's myriad properties, from its stimulating caffeine content to its decadent array of antioxidants. We'll discuss the benefits and risks associated with coffee consumption, shedding light on how even one cup can influence your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. Did you know coffee can enhance cognitive function and lower the risk of certain diseases? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We'll also touch on potential downsides, like anxiety and sleep disturbances, that can arise from overindulgence. As we explore the science behind coffee, we'll share surprising facts that might change how you think about your daily brew. For instance, did you know that moderate coffee consumption has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, or that it can boost your metabolism? So, whether you're a casual sipper or a die-hard coffee lover, this video is packed with insights that will keep you engaged and informed. Grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's explore the incredible effects of coffee on your health. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding caffeine, the science behind your favorite stimulant. Caffeine is a naturally occurring stimulant that belongs to a class of compounds known as xanthines. Chemically, it's classified as 1003,7-trimethylxanthine, which means it has 3 methyl groups attached to a xanthine backbone. This unique structure gives caffeine its stimulating properties, making it one of the world's most widely consumed psychoactive substances. So, where can you find caffeine in nature? The most popular sources include coffee beans, tea leaves, and cacao pods. Coffee beans, of course, are the primary source for that rich, aromatic brew many of us rely on to kickstart our day. Tea leaves, whether from black, green, or oolong varieties, also contain caffeine, albeit in varying amounts. And let's not forget about cacao pods, which provide the caffeine found in chocolate, another beloved treat. Now, let's talk about how caffeine works in the human body. When consumed, caffeine quickly enters the bloodstream and travels to the brain, blocking the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep and relaxation. By inhibiting adenosine, caffeine increases alertness and reduces the perception of fatigue, making you feel more awake and focused. This is why many people turn to coffee or tea during those mid-afternoon slumps. In summary, caffeine is a fascinating compound with a rich array of natural sources, and its stimulating effects play a significant role in our daily lives. So the next time you sip your favorite caffeinated beverage, you'll have a deeper understanding of what's happening in your body. Health benefits of caffeine. Unlocking the positive effects on your well-being. Caffeine is more than just a morning ritual. It offers a range of health benefits that can enhance your daily life. One of the most notable effects of caffeine is its ability to boost mental alertness and cognitive function. Studies have shown caffeine improves focus, reaction time, and mental clarity. This is particularly beneficial during tasks requiring sustained attention, making it a favorite among students and professionals. But the benefits don't stop there. Research has linked regular caffeine consumption to a reduced risk of several diseases. For instance, studies suggest that caffeine may lower the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, some research indicates that coffee drinkers may have a lower risk of type 2 diabetes and certain types of cancer thanks to coffee's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Caffeine also significantly enhances physical performance and endurance. It stimulates the release of adrenaline, which prepares your body for intense physical activity. Many athletes use caffeine as a performance enhancer, as it can improve endurance and reduce the perception of effort during workouts. You might push through that last mile or lift heavier weights more quickly. In summary, caffeine is a powerful ally in mental and physical health. From sharpening your focus to potentially lowering disease risks and boosting athletic performance, incorporating caffeine into your routine can offer a variety of positive effects. So the next time you enjoy your favorite caffeinated beverage, remember it's doing more for you than just waking you up. Risks and side effects. Understanding the downsides of caffeine consumption. While caffeine offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks and side effects associated with its consumption. One of the most common side effects is insomnia. Consuming caffeine, especially later in the day, can disrupt your sleep patterns, making it difficult to fall or stay asleep. This can lead to a cycle of fatigue and increased caffeine consumption, further exacerbating the issue. Another frequent complaint among caffeine users is jitteriness. This feeling of restlessness or nervous energy can occur even with moderate caffeine intake. Additionally, caffeine can lead to an increased heart rate, known as tachycardia, which may be uncomfortable for some individuals. These side effects can vary significantly from person to person, depending on individual tolerance levels. Excessive caffeine intake poses more severe health risks. Consuming large amounts, typically over 400 milligrams per day, or about 4 cups of coffee, can lead to anxiety, digestive issues, and even heart palpitations. In extreme cases, it can result in caffeine toxicity, which may require medical attention. Specific populations should be particularly cautious about their caffeine consumption. Pregnant individuals are advised to limit their intake, as excessive caffeine can affect fetal development. Additionally, those with pre-existing heart conditions or anxiety disorders should consult with a healthcare professional to determine a safe level of caffeine for their specific situation. In summary, while caffeine can enhance your daily life, it's crucial to be mindful of its potential risks and side effects. Moderation is vital to enjoying the benefits without compromising your health. Caffeine and the liver. Understanding the connection to liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in metabolizing caffeine, breaking it down into various metabolites the body can use or eliminate. When you consume caffeine, the liver processes it primarily through enzymes, particularly cytochrome P451A2. This metabolic process helps regulate caffeine levels in the bloodstream and influences how long its stimulating effects last. Interestingly, research has shown that caffeine may protect against certain liver diseases. Studies indicate that regular coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of liver conditions such as fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. For instance, a meta-analysis found that individuals who drank coffee regularly had a significantly reduced risk of developing liver fibrosis, a condition characterized by excessive scar tissue in the liver. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties found in coffee are believed to play a vital role in these protective effects. However, while caffeine can benefit liver health, moderation is essential. Excessive caffeine intake can lead to adverse health outcomes, including increased liver enzyme levels, which may indicate liver stress or damage. Limiting caffeine consumption to about 400 milligrams per day, or roughly 4 cups of coffee, is generally recommended to reap the benefits without risking harm. In summary, caffeine has a complex relationship with liver health. While it can offer protective benefits against certain liver diseases, moderation is crucial to ensure your liver remains healthy and functions optimally. So enjoy your coffee, but remember that balance is critical. Caffeine consumption guidelines, recommendations for safe intake. When enjoying caffeine, moderation is key. To help you navigate your caffeine consumption safely, let's discuss some recommended daily limits tailored to different age groups and health conditions. For most healthy adults, a daily intake of up to 400 milligrams of caffeine, equivalent to about 4 8-ounce cups of brewed coffee, is generally considered safe. However, pregnant individuals should limit their intake to around 200 milligrams per day to minimize any potential risks to fetal development. A maximum of 100 milligrams per day is advisable for adolescents, as their bodies are still developing and may be more sensitive to caffeine's effects. Monitoring your caffeine intake and how it affects you personally is also essential. Everyone metabolizes caffeine differently, so pay attention to how your body responds. If you experience symptoms like jitteriness, insomnia, or increased heart rate, it may be a sign to cut back. Keeping a journal of caffeine consumption and its effects can help you find the right balance. Additionally, balancing caffeine with proper hydration and nutrition is crucial. Caffeine can have a diuretic effect, leading to increased urination and potential dehydration. Ensure you drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you consume caffeinated beverages. Pairing caffeine with nutritious foods can also help mitigate adverse effects, as a well-rounded diet supports overall health. In summary, by following these guidelines and listening to your body, you can enjoy the benefits of caffeine while minimizing potential risks. Remember, moderation and balance are the keys to safe caffeine consumption. Caffeine, a widely consumed stimulant, offers numerous benefits, including enhanced mental alertness, improved cognitive function, and even protective effects against certain liver diseases. Regular consumption can also boost physical performance, making it a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks and side effects, such as insomnia, jitteriness, and increased heart rate, especially when consumed in excess. We've highlighted the importance of moderation, recommending daily caffeine limits tailored to different age groups and health conditions. Up to 400 milligrams per day is generally safe for most adults, while pregnant individuals and adolescents should consume less. Monitoring your caffeine habits and how they affect your body is essential for maintaining a healthy balance. As you reflect on your caffeine consumption, consider how it fits into your overall lifestyle and health goals. Are you getting the benefits without the drawbacks? Remember, staying hydrated and maintaining a nutritious diet can help you enjoy caffeine's perks while minimizing adverse effects. If you found this video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from a better understanding of caffeine. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to making informed choices about your caffeine consumption.